This is the first one we've been at, but it was pretty exciting. So go ahead, Sheila.
Yeah, first of all, thank you so much for coming.
No problem.
I am part of the brand team.
Hi everyone, welcome to the TSV. Our thrifting adventure is taking us out and about today. We are at a fashion show at another Goodwill location. So we're inviting you to join us and see all that's happening at this. At the same time, there's a street festival happening. There's so much happening today. But I hope you enjoy this experience of the thrifting.
Yes, I love the thrill of the hunt. I always said that if I won the lottery, it wouldn't matter because I would still thrift anyways, because I love to find good treasures at Goodwill.
we're back. The show is over, but we're going to talk a little bit with Shayla O'Connor. She is a representative of Goodwill, and she's also a designer in today's fashion lineup. So she's going to tell us a little bit about the whole event and how you can, when the siren's gone, and how you can become involved in supporting an organization like Goodwill and contribute to their annual fashion show. This is the first one we've been at, but it was quite exciting. So go ahead, Sheila.
Yeah, first of all, thank you so much for
No problem.
I am part of the brand team. My colleague Lucia, she organized mostly all of this. We had models from Kello Inclusive who represent models with disabilities. We had models from our Career Connections program with self-disclosed disabilities, as well as local content creators. And they all modeled designs today from local designers with upcycled, thrifted items. And the whole core purpose of this, of course, is sustainability, upcycling, and inclusivity. And so all of the designers used items that were thrifted and upcycled them, similar to what I've got on here. All of the items came from either our outlet store or in-store and were, anything from painted to completely reconstructed outfits.
So how can one become a participant in this sort of event next time? Who do they need to go to? What do they need to have?
Yeah, so this year we put out a model call on our social media about 2 months ago. Hopefully next year we'll be able to plan a little bit more ahead, because working with designers, this is our first year doing a designer fashion show in Edmonton, so that process does take a little bit longer. But basically, we sort of just started reaching out to people who we know that were upcyclers, and along the way, we've had other designers reach out to us who are looking to get involved next year, which is amazing. I love that so much.
Good.
But yeah, just get in touch with us. Our website is goodwill.av.ca. You can contact us through there. We're starting a list already for next year, and then we'll end up doing another model call next year for this event, and we also do one in Calgary as well.
So they will just share a little bit of who they are and how they relate to what Goodwill is doing. And how they would fit in. They would have to give you a little bio, I assume?
Yeah, so basically we like to include people who are supporters of Goodwill, who are avid thrifters. All of our content creators are people that we've either worked with in the past who have been huge supporters of Goodwill, or just people who have been tagging us on Instagram and just being really included with what we're doing. And doing things like this is just a really nice way to include our community and also promote all of the amazing things that Goodwill does. So this is our first year doing the Denim Focus in Edmonton with our Repurpose program, which is a denim bag upcycling program made up of entirely people with disabilities. So the core purpose is promoting that. So it's denim inspired. We haven't decided if that's exactly what we'll do next year, but usually the denim is one of the hardest materials to
work with. Yeah.
So it's a good opportunity.
It can be fun to work with too.
Yeah.
If you've got kind of an ingenious mind about how you can repurpose it, you can really come up with some really good.
It's so durable.
Yeah. Kill it. It won't die. It won't die. Well, thank you so much, Shayla. I appreciate you taking the time to chat with us about today's event, and we're so happy to be part of supporting that. What Goodwill's doing there, and you'll definitely be hearing from us.
Yeah, we'd love to get you involved this year. Maybe we can get you on the runway.
We'll see. Depends. I might be one of the designers.
Yeah, I do.
Because I have so much. You know me. I'm shopping almost every week at Goodwill, so I have lots. I have lots of things I need to upcycle.
Yeah,
so.
we'd love to get you involved.
As opposed to donating it back.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much, Shayla. And
So much for today.
no problem. Thanks.